Hello, how are you? Just wanted to bring to you another tune fork for passive income. This one is on the Cronos network. So that is the crypto.com network. So you would just add that to your MetaMask or your wallet. Um, and you can look that up, how to add Cronos network to MetaMask, and it'll give you the information. You'll go to settings network and add the information there. You can look that up online. I'm not going to go over that, but there are videos, or you can just Google it, and there should be articles about it. Make sure you go to the Cronos, the correct website, their own website. So anyway, this is RNA Cash. They had another tune fork, and it was called DNA Cash. And I had staked there before, and it was pretty good. And they actually have been audited by Certic, so that's a pretty well-known audit there. So yeah, they just launched like today. And as far as the staking and stuff, so the APR is still pretty high. So if you want to get in early, just wanted to let you know this is another one. If you like the Crow coin, which is the crypto.com coin, and you want to stack up on that, or you just want to make extra passive income, this is one that you can look on the Cronos network. Thank you. Have a good day.